What you see here are the GBG6 and the GBG8 Professional from Bosch, the robust and powerful double-wheel bench grinders for trade and industry. The GBG6 is a space-saving and powerful workshop machine. The GBG8 is especially robust and powerful. It ensures fast work progress. The low-noise, low-vibration induction motor and the enclosed ball bearings ensure a long lifetime on both double-wheel bench grinders. Readjustment is made easier by the tool-free adjustable workpiece rest. The large spark guards provide optimum protection for your eyes during work. Experience for yourself the GBG6 and the GBG8 Professional from Bosch, the robust and powerful double-wheel bench grinders for trade and industry.